of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the canyon wren. This stocky little wren has a long tail and a long bill. It's rusty brown with a white throat. They live throughout western North America in steep, rocky canyons. Canyon wrens eat mostly insects and spiders. And they're not known to drink water. We think they probably get all the water they need from the insects that they eat. This is one of my favorite bird songs. It's a series of beautiful liquid notes that descend and slow. Sometimes it ends with some buzzy, mewling call notes. Tune in next week for another